Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your go to destination for all things home decor. I am your host, and as you can see, it's that time of the year again, Halloween. Today, I am going to share some spooktacular Halloween home decor ideas that will transform your space into a haunted heaven. Whether you are hosting a Halloween party or just want to get into the spooky spirit, these decorating tips and tricks will leave your guests in awe. So let's dive right into it. The first step in creating the perfect Halloween atmosphere is choosing the right color palette. Dark, rich colors like black, purple, orange, and deep reds will set the stage for a spooky ambience. Consider painting an accent wall or incorporating these colors into your decor. Don't forget to adorn your walls with eerie Halloween themed wall art. You can find creepy canvases, frame vintage Halloween ads, and or even create your own spooky artwork. It's an easy way to instantly transform any room. Your dining table is the perfect canvas for Halloween creativity. Use black or dark colored tablecloths and layer with eerie lace overlays. Set the mood with gothic candle holders, black and silver tableware, and ornate chargers. Get crafty with DIY centerpieces. Fill glass jars with black roses, arrange mini pumpkins and gourds on a platter, or create a haunting terrarium with tiny tombstones and eerie figurines. The possibilities are endless. Don't neglect your outdoor space. Create a spine chilling porch display with carved pumpkins, fog spiderwebs, and eerie lighting. Adding a fog machine or a spooky sound effect will take your outdoor decor to the next level. Transform your front yard into a haunted graveyard or a sinister scene from a horror movie. Use tombstones, life size skeletons, and creepy creatures to spookify your yard. And don't forget the cobwebs. Proper lighting is the key to achieving that eerie Halloween atmosphere. Consider using flickering candles, battery operated LED candles, and string lights with spider or bat motifs. Dim the lights for added spookiness. Jack o' lanterns are a Halloween staple. Get creative with your carving design and use battery operated candles or LED lights to make them glow without the fire hazard. Place them throughout your home and yard for a ghoulish glow. To complete the haunted experience, create a playlist of creepy music and soundscapes. The right soundtrack can make a world of difference in setting the mood. While decorating for Halloween, it's crucial to prioritize safety, keep walkways clear, use flame candles, and avoid overloading electrical outlets. Safety should always be your top priority. And there you have it, folks, a spooktacular Halloween home decor ideas that will leave your guests spellbound. Remember, the key to creating a hauntingly beautiful space is let your creativity run wild and embrace the spirit of Halloween. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home decor ideas. Have a fantastic Halloween, and until the next time, stay spooky.